Hello everyone. Today we learn about chapter 12, data handling. What is data handling? In 12.1, you need to learn about data collection, organization and representation process and interpretation of data representation. So now what is a statistical question? It's a question that can be answered by collecting data, and there will be a variability and diversity in the data related to the question. For example, question number 1, how tall are the students in class 1 Amanah? There is a variability in the height because from the class they will have 150 cm, 156 cm and 164 cm. What is the favorite food of student in class 1 Amanah? So this is variability in type of chosen the food by the students. For example, nasi lemak, fried noodles, laksa, and so on. How you collect the data? Data collection method you can by interview to find out how the student travel to school, what is the favorite food they like. Beside interview, you also can use survey method by using online Google form or given a survey form. For example, to find out the favorite television programs. Observation also one of the method. Observe to count how many cows pass through the junction every hour. What is the weather during this week? This is observation. The last method you can use is experiment. You do an experiment to record the temperature of a hot water as it cools when every 5 minutes. So there are 4 methods. How you classify data and construct a frequency table. Data categorical. Measure characteristic cannot be measured numerically but can be described. For example, gender, person, color of cows, flavor or sweet, blood group. Numerical measure quantity. Measure numerically. Involve the number. Numerical, you see num. Involve the number numerically. Number of the books read in a week. The height of a badminton players. The time. Time also numerical. And then next. In numerical data consists of district data that is measured in a whole unit. Example, the number of family in a member, 6 people. Continuous data. This is measured on a continuous scale. For example, 53, 56.2 and 66.5 kilo. This is continuous data. Classify the following data as categorical data or numerical data. The body temperature involved numerically, so it's numerically data. The number of tree, number, so numerical data. The cause of a road accident, it is measure characteristic, so it's categorical data. In example number 2, you need to learn how to organize the ungrouped data to constructing a frequency data. The data shows the number of children in each of the following. For 20 families, organize the data by constructing a frequency data. Let's say the first family, 2 children. The second family, no children. The third family until the 20th family. This is the what data? Ungrouped data. Ungrouped data is an unprocessed raw data. Unprocessed. So how you make it in frequency table? First, you need to do a timetable with a number of children from 0 this is the least number. The largest number will be the 4. Number of children will be 4, 0 until 4. Then the second column, tally and the frequency. I want you start from 2. So you write 1, 2, 0, you write another stick. 1, then you write another stick. 1, you write another stick. 2, 1, 3, 0, 4. You do until the last one with the 3 children. I need to tell you for the tally 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, the number 5, you do a straight number, straight lines. Do a straight line. After that, you calculate the tally 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And fill in the blanks of the frequency and get the total. Good try,